Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today's recipe is vegetable spring rolls. First, the stuffing. Pour some oil in a pan. To this, add finely chopped ginger and garlic, a small piece of ginger and 2 or 3 cloves of garlic. Saute this well. To this, let us add a small piece of sliced onions. Next, we'll move on and add the veggies. First, the carrots, a medium-sized carrot, a small piece of cabbage, 2 or 3 beans chopped, to this, let us add a small piece of capsicum chopped. We have added all the veggies. Now add the required amount of salt and give a nice saute. Let us saute the vegetables till it is half cooked. Now it's time to add all the sauces. This is 1 teaspoon of green chili sauce, 1 teaspoon of red chili sauce, and we are going to add 2 teaspoons of soya sauce. Finally, let us add some pepper powder. Pepper powder is up to you. If you want it more spicy, you can add more. Give a nice mix. This is over. Let this cool down. By the time we can make the spring roll sheets, take 1 cup of all-purpose flour, that is maida. To this, add half a cup of corn flour and the required amount of salt. Now add enough water and make a thin batter. Our batter is quite loose and thin and it is perfectly ready. Now heat a pan. Put some oil and wipe it off. We are going to use a brush to apply the batter. So apply the batter with a brush on the pan. By this way, you can shape this out very well and your sheets will also be very thin. You can use any pan to make this, but non-stick will be a better choice. Cook this for few seconds and pull it out. Your sheet is ready now. It has to cool down. Next, we'll make a slurry. Take some maida and water and mix it well. Apply the maida paste on the sides. Place the prepared stuffings and close the sheets. Use the slurry wherever you want to seal it. As it is already shaped, you doesn't need to cut anything and it will be easy to roll also. Our veg roll is ready to be fried. Fry the rolls in a hot oil in a medium flame. This is golden brown now. You can take it out. Our crispy spring roll is perfect and ready. We'll join you in another interesting recipe, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.